I am here to do my little review on the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, the Infallible Foundation, which I got in color 420. And then the Infallible Concealer, which I got in the shade Eggshell. I posted those on Twitter yesterday and said that I saw a TikTok where this girl said that those needed to be used together, so I bought them together and I'm gonna use them right now. Okay, so first my face just feels really dry right now because I haven't put any lotion on it or anything, so I'm just gonna like freshen up my face and get it a little moisturized before I dive into that stuff. So I'm gonna start with this Aveeno Positively Radiant SPF. And then I'm gonna use some Vaseline with cocoa butter on my lips. I must be sleeping with my mouth open or something because my lips are always so dry. And I put like Carmex on them, I put Vaseline on them, and they are still dry as hell. So, must be just the season. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna dive in with the Milk. Is this even focusing on the shit? Whatever. The Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So, the top like looks like this. You can see the spring in it. It's like clear up there. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, whatever. I'm just going to start squirting it. So it comes out, it looks like a gel, and I'm going to, ooh, yeah, it definitely feels like a gel. It doesn't smell that good, I'm not gonna lie. That's not very important. I'm kind of going to pat it like this because why not, you know? I also heard after I posted it yesterday that you should let it get a little tacky before you start putting your foundation on. So I feel like patting it like this will kind of speed along the drying process. Okay, so how I typically apply my foundation is I will use this MAC brush and then this very large beauty blender. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the L'Oreal Infallible now. I got color 420. There was only 2 left in Ulta and they both were dirty at the top like that, so I was like, alright, fuck it. It is what it is, I guess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and squirt this right on my face. Ooh, okay. And then take this little brush and start blending. Now I'm just taking my beauty blender and blending it more. Well, it is like separating so much on my nose already. Like, that does not look good. I guess I'm gonna add more because maybe it's separating because I didn't have enough and it's like spreading out too much. Y'all, I don't even know, but why not add more, right? Oh Lord. Okay, well, here we go again. Okay, so the foundation's all blended in. First impressions, it's just okay. I like my MAC better. Okay, this was like taped shut, so had to cut it to open it. And let's, oh, this is kind of cool. I like how big and thick that is. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my under eye. I'm like a huge fan of this big applicator for sure. Down the center of my nose. A little spot on my chin. And then in the middle of my forehead. I'm just gonna use it a little more. Oh no, kind of got too much. Okay. And then I have the smaller version of my big beauty blender. I'm gonna use the little version and blend in the concealer. I'm just blending again with my big beauty blender. Then I'm just gonna go about my makeup routine as I do it every day. Okay, and then I'm all done. So this is my finished face, the finished look. Let's see. So let me just concentrate on my foundation and concealer and whatnot. I mean, I'm not gonna lie and say it looks bad because I think it looks good. I think I'll know better a little later on when I wear it out, and can see how it holds up. So I will come back in a few hours and let you guys know. But so far, I think it's good. I think it looks nice. I'll give you guys a little close-up of the skin. I don't know, the close-up's kind of weird, but okay. So far, so good. I'll let you guys know in a few hours how it holds up, and yeah. Okay, hi guys, I'm back for my foundation follow-up. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I definitely think my face looks a little more like dry and like kind of, I don't know, I don't want to say cakey because I don't really think it looks too cakey, but like there's certain areas where it really like spread out. But then again, my nose was running, so I was wiping my nose. Somebody also told me that you're supposed to shake it really well before you use it, which I didn't do, so I'll do that tomorrow and give it another try. But I mean, I didn't hate it. I think it looks good and you should try it. I think mine was like $14 or something, and then the concealer, I think, okay, the foundation was $16 and then the concealer was $14. So yeah, well, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.